Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to camera and then take a picture and open the picture that you took. See in the bottom left side, there is watermark printed. If watermark is printed, you should have or other person may have set this watermark to your phone. Okay, so if you want to remove watermark for future photos, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the camera of your phone here, then go to settings of the camera here and find the watermark option. Just turn off this button. Hereafter, if you take photo through camera of your phone, there will be no watermark. See here, I am going to camera, then I am taking this picture and see the result image. There is no watermark. Okay, there is no watermark printed because watermark is turned off now. In this way, you can easily remove or turn off camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.